I have done some outreach to companies for my first internship. My name is Felix, and this is my journey from a noob to software engineer, where I'm going from not knowing anything about programming to getting my first job as a programmer. And then at last I'm gonna start my own software startup. But yeah, this is week 8 and I'm gonna show you the recap for this week now. Today is Monday and I'm going to school. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I am home from school, or I have actually been home for a while. I have been doing some things on my school project, and I have done some outreach to companies for my first internship. So yeah, it's interesting. I have my strategy. So yeah, we're gonna see how they respond and if I have to change something in order to make them respond. Or if they don't answer, I'm sending another one and another one and another one and be annoying. I don't care if I'm annoying. It's an email. They can't be like, stop sending emails. We don't want you. And then I know it's perfect. So yeah, I've done some outreach to companies and people actually in the space, and asked them if they can help me get someone's private email or something like this, so I can contact them directly. I think it's going to work very well. I'm going to keep doing this until I get my internship. It shouldn't be that hard, even though it should be that hard, but now we're just going to keep on doing what we're doing and see if it works. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and I'm going to school because we're having a special lecture. So yeah, let's go to school again. I'm now in school. Don't have a classroom, so I'm sitting in the lunch area here. But yeah, still need to get something done, so we're gonna do it now. Okay, so I'm now home from school, and as you saw, we had a guest speaker at school, and it was a consulting firm, and what they were specialized in was in cloud, and cloud is something that I study, so it was really interesting to see what they had to say, and also to see what they were looking for in their consultants. I don't know how to say it, but in their consultants seems right. So yeah, it was honestly really nice to hear and see what they were looking for, and yeah, see how the tech space are in general. So yeah, now I'm just gonna chill. It's pretty late. It's like 9 o'clock, 9 at night. So I'm gonna just chill and go to bed. So see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's a new day and I'm gonna have distance lecture today. I don't really like distance lecture. I like more going to school. To be honest, I think it's hard to follow along when the teacher is coding and showing things. I think it's much better to be in a classroom and be able to ask questions. So yeah. But anyway, we're gonna have distance lecture now. Let's go. Okay, so I was just watching YouTube and I stumbled upon this video right here. And what this is a new AI language model, competitor to ChatGPT. I almost feel like this new AI language model, it came anew every second week or something. But yeah, I'm gonna play it now.
I'm Arvind Srinivas. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Perplexity AI. Perplexity is a conversational answer, aims to deliver answers to you to whatever questions you may ask. We are trying to revolutionize how people consume information online. Instead of getting pinned blue links, they can just ask questions in natural language and just get it answered instantly. and we launched the product on December 7th, 2022. We have like about 10 million monthly active users at this point. It's basically grown 1000x over a period of 1 year.
So they have raised $73.6 million and they are valued at $520 million. So $500 million already. That's crazy. Let's watch. Okay, so some of the investors are Nvidia, Jeff Bezos, and Toby Lütke. If you don't know Toby, he is the founder of Shopify. But yeah, try this AI. So I was here, and I have already tried it, I'm gonna be honest. I already made it crash when I asked it to do a API with the SQL server. It crashed. I don't know if yeah, I have it here on my Windows laptop. It's still loading, if you can see. Still loading. It has been like 30 minutes, so we have already made it crash. But for the little I have tried this, I would explain this as Google combined with ChatGPT, and I think this is pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna just try it out. What is an API? Boom. So as you can see here, it linked the sources from where they took the information to answer this question. And it also provided us with YouTube links. So here we can see a video on what is an API, and we can read the articles from where they took the information. And I think this is pretty nice. So now we're gonna try, can you build an API for me? And here, what I wanted was to get code. So here they just give me some instructions, but still here they link some more YouTube videos and articles. Give me some C# code. So as you can see here as well, it can give you code. Here you can see some API. Yeah, I asked for C# code, but yeah, they took the information from the other questions. But yeah, I think this AI model is pretty nice, and I think I'm going to use it and experiment it with it some more. And if you have tried it, comment down below what you think. And if you have not, try it out, Perplexity AI.
New day, and I have to work on my school project all day. So yeah. Okay, so I have now done some things on my project and I'm almost done. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the result now. Okay, so this is my Node.js Express API. This is gonna get the data from this API. Here I have get, post, get by ID, put and delete. Here I have done two methods, one get and one post. And I don't want to scroll down so much here. So you see my connection strings. I have taken them out so you don't take my connection string. Okay, so here we have postman and we can get all users. And here you can see I have all the users that I have created. And now we can try the second method, which is post 8 and send. Boom. Get all again and see if 8 is there. So as you can see, 8 has been added with the ID of 15. And now we can see it here in my database. Okay, so there you can see we have, in my database, we have user 8 and keyword 8 with the ID of 15, which we created here. So yeah, this is something I have done today, and I think this API thing is pretty cool, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do it next in school, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's go!